Bluetooth not working on Windows 10 or 11? Try this method. Go to Search and type Services. Click this. Then double-click Bluetooth Support Service. On the Startup type, select Automatic, then click Apply, then click Start, and hit OK. There's a way to speed up your PC by turning off background apps. Let me show you how to do it. On the search bar, type in Background Apps, and click on it. On the right side, find this option, and turn it off. Here's how to make Windows 10 computer faster in 10 seconds. Share this video with a friend. First, go to your Start menu, then Settings, then click on System, click on About. On the right side, click on Advanced System Settings, and click on Settings, under Performance and choose Adjust for Best Performance. Here's how to speed up your Windows 11 in 10 seconds. Share this video with a friend. Right-click Windows logo and click Settings. Then click on Personalization. Scroll to the bottom and find Device Usage. Click on it, and turn on the gaming option to optimize for speed.
I don't know if I knew this, but a lot of people who have a Windows 11 computer come from Windows 10, and this is one of the bigger things that people complain about the taskbar. And I want to show you exactly how to move it to the left. Having a Start menu here is better than having it here like it was on Windows 10. It's super easy to do. Right-click here on the taskbar, and click on Taskbar Settings. Then here, click on Taskbar Behaviors, then take a look at taskbar alignment. It's supposed to be set to center. What you want to do, you want to click on that and you want to set it to the left, and once you do that everything is going to move to the left. So you can now start using your Start menu like you used to. Here are cool Windows tips you need to know, if you play games on your PC or laptop. Then you need to do this right now. Right-click on your home screen, and select Display Settings. Click on Graphics, then click on Change Default Graphics Settings. Here, you need to turn on optimizations for Windows games. Be sure you restart your game for changes to take effect. Now you will get better FPS. Here is a useful tip how you can enable your Microsoft Edge Startup Boost. It will keeps the browser running in the background with minimal processes, so Microsoft Edge will start more quickly when launched. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. Now let's start. Open Microsoft Edge browser. Click these three dots in the upper right. Or press Alt+F for shortcut on your keyboard. Then click Settings. On the left pane, click System and Performance. Under System, turn on Startup Boost. That's it. Thank you for watching.